English. Wait, English. Rock.
Gak apa-apa, bahasa Indonesia juga gak apa-apa, Kek.
Campur gak apa-apa.
Gak apa-apa, Kek.
apa-apa.
Ya.
English.
3, 2, 1, action.
Oh, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have Zaa.kaa here. Okay. Today we have Zaa.kaa here. So we're gonna do question and answer number 11. Oh, wait. Yeah, 11. So let's get started. So, oh, and remember to subscribe in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you for subscribing. And Gabe's gonna be in your bed tonight. Hush. Thank you for subscribing and giving a big like, and please put the notification down here. So let's go. Inspect the cube, and then when you're ready, then start the timer.
Okay, inspect the cube.
Now, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, he's going. Dad, you want some tea?
No. This is more like a Coke.
14 seconds and 81
14 seconds.
14 seconds.
Wow. Bam.
Oh, okay. Wow, it's really broken. So, okay, let's what?
Maybe Jaka should show it. It's his personal stuff, so yes. Maybe you have to put it. Oh.
First one on the sketchbook.
Okay.
There is a lot of miscellaneous stuff in here. Okay.
There's a lot of nice stuff there.
Some stuff.
Wow. You can show it here. You can show it to this camera right here.
Camera right there. It's there. The camera is there.
Wow.
Okay.
It's okay. Don't worry about it. Nice. That's some urban stuff.
Cool. That's cool, you guys. So you see. Then it's really good. Yes, it's really good. Let me see. It's a cool.
Wow. You can show it here.
But with doodles.
Okay.
Here, this is a beach team.
Nice. Bless you.
Bless you. And then,
Nice.
wow, that's cool, guys.
Oh, that is nice.
Oh, that's nice.
That is nice also.
Oh, that's nice. Can you draw my dad? No.
Oh, I like that cat.
And this is Garfield.
Yeah.
Doodles.
With doodles. Yes.
Doodles. Can you draw a Lego guy? And can you draw a This is pastel colors.
Okay, pastel colors.
And no. What?
That's testing color.
Ooh. And Patrick.
Wow. Inside Patrick's head.
Yes. Yeah. That's cool. And what do you think, guys? And the last one. Yeah.
Wow. It's combination of everything.
Yes.
Yes.
So, okay, that's all. So what do you think, my daddy?
Awesome, dude.
How about you?
Great, dude.
How about you? How about you? How about me? Awesome, dude. What kind of imagination when you draw it in doodle? Ants. No. Okay, most of it I get inspiration from Instagram. You have Instagram? And YouTube. And most of it I just, like the last one, I just came up with it. Okay. That's good. So mostly inspiration from Instagram and YouTube. Okay. Let's ask from your dad. Hello, Zaa.kaa's dad. Do you like when Zaa.kaa do Rubiks Cube?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Better than PlayStation.
Oh. How about you, Zaa.kaa5's mom? Do you like when Zaa.kaa do Rubiks Cube?
Of course.
Okay, that's good. Now, next question. Okay, let's go. Next one. When do you draw and doodle? What days always? Do you paint every day, or do you paint mostly weekends? Weekends, okay. Oh yeah, mostly weekends. That's good. How many hours it takes to draw? At most, the longest, about 5 hours.
What?
5 hours, yeah. A minute, the slowest, not slowest, like the fastest at the moment. 1.5 hours. Okay. I heard that you went to a race of Rubiks Cube. Did you won? I mean, canceled because of the pandemic. Okay, it's okay. No, it's okay, right? Yes. Okay. It's okay. There will be lots of races. You just have to win. Competition. Oh, competition. What was your first competition? Where was it? I never went to. Yes. It was canceled. Oh, the first one was full, and the second one was canceled because of the pandemic. Oh, okay. I thought you were already. So, what is your score in Rubiks Cube? The fastest time is 7 seconds. 7. Well, hey, compare that to the world record, which is 3 seconds. What is your dream of Rubiks Cube and doodle? What is your dream of Rubiks Cube and doodle? Nothing. They're just fun. What? They're just fun. I like to do them. Okay, that's good. I have no goals. I thought that your dream is like to be the master of Rubiks Cube. I don't know. Yeah, right? No? But at first, yes, but now it's like, yeah, it's possible. Okay, it's impossible. Okay, it's impossible.
It's possible.
Oh, it's possible. It's
Yes.
possible.
Yes.
Whatever.
Yeah.
Time consuming. Okay. I'm gonna ask your parents what is their dream. What is your dream? Can you tell me?
He's going to be engineer.
Oh, okay. What is your dream, Daddy?
My dream.
Yeah.
A lot. I
Well-
dream every day. Now
Okay.
I'm dreaming.
Okay. That's good. Well, you guys see Doodles. Oh, now he's doing. Hey, show them. What? Yeah. Let me try. No, not hard. This will take a while. Okay, now I'm gonna fix this. This. That's easy. Okay. I don't really know how to do it. Why did you? Oh yeah, sorry. Well, that's super hard. Why did you want to do this? Or did I?
Yeah, you did. And
Oh.
he said it was fun.
No, but why did you want? Because it was fun. Yeah, but what made you want to do this thing? I just saw a video and then you tried. I tried and I got super close. And then when I went home and saw a video, told you, okay, I did it. Oh. How many Rubiks Cube you have in your home? Eight. Somebody has to have 100. Well, yeah. Oh look! My dad's perfect. I mean, hundreds of Rubiks Cubes. Someone, the top cubers, they have like over 200. Over 200. Okay, they have. Not me. Okay. Do you want 200? Do you want 1 million? Do you want 2 million? How many Rubiks Cubes do you want? I mean, it's probably one of each of them. Okay. If I wanted 0 Rubiks Cubes. Yeah. What? Yeah, I know, right? Is it cool? We're gonna cut that out.
What?
Yeah, I think so.
What?
So, what? Okay, continue. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so you guys have it. All the questions are ready. Okay. So I already questioned and Jaa.kaa answered, but he didn't have questions. So yeah. So bye, you guys. I'll see you later. Oh yeah, Jaa.kaa say bye. Bye, and if you don't subscribe and like and turn on notifications, then you'll wake up tomorrow with sleep on your bed. So you better